While we're swept up in the fast pace of modern life, we still need nature. Why Philly? Because you'll walk the same streets where the Constitution was first written. Because you'll enter universities that will shape your future. Because it's a city full of diversity, where you will find halal food and friendly people. Because all modes of transportation are accessible. Because Philly's nature sparks creative ideas. Because you'll discover a new culture while staying true to your roots. Because Philly isn't just a city. Philly, where passion meets opportunity.